Hello everybody, welcome to the live session by Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. I am Misbah, your maths educator, and in this class we are going to do laws of exponents. In the previous session we did questions on rationalization of denominator, and now we are going to start with laws of exponents, and we'll be doing questions on the basis of laws of exponents. Hello Mehak, welcome to this session. Hello One Star Gaming. So are you guys ready for it? So let's wait for some more seconds, let other students join as well, and then we can start with this session. Hello Kalpana, welcome to this session. So how's your studies going on? Till which topic have you done in grade 9, if you are there in grade 9 right now? Tell me guys. So we are going to do laws of exponents. First we'll see the laws of exponents, and then we'll be doing questions on the basis of laws of exponents. Going on well, very good. So what is going on in your school, or maybe what you are doing on your own? Can you let me know that, Kalpana? Kalpa, I'm sorry, I'm pronouncing it wrong. Hello Om Music, welcome to this session. Hello Nikhil, welcome to this session. I hope you guys are ready. Hello, it's Technology Lover Boy, welcome to this session. Exactly, laws of exponents. Okay Kalpa, that's very good for you only, I guess. Okay, so let's start with the class guys. Hello Sanjay, welcome to this session. So let's start with laws of exponents over here. So basically you have already studied these laws of exponents in your earlier grades. It's not that you're doing it for the first time. So we'll first revise the laws of exponents and then we'll be doing questions. So this is basically a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n, right? That if you've got same bases, suppose I've got something like this, same base is there and there is a multiplication sign. So what you can do, you can add the exponents, right? So this will give you 2 raised to the power 8. Any doubt in this thing? Class 10 का sessions already हो रहा है The Beast on the Infinity Learn class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. For class 9 students, Pratham series is going on. And for class 10 students, Pioneer series is going on. Already ho raha hai The Beast. No problem, it's technology. You have to have that faith in us. Sari cheezein will be clear. Just have some patience. Okay, Sashant, but it is visible to me as Kalpa. Okay, fine. So I hope this is clear to everybody. This law of exponent. Obviously, there can be many more examples, but let's see them, right? Now over here, if you've got same base and there is division over here, so you can subtract the exponent. So for example, if I've got something like this, 2 raised to the power 8 divided by 2 raised to the power 3. So you can subtract the exponent and it will give you 2 raised to the power 5. Is it clear to everybody over here? Tell me guys. Any doubt to any student up till here? Right? Now over here, if you have got power of power, suppose I've got 2 raised to the power 3, the whole raised to the power 4. So you can write it like this, the exponents can be multiplied and they can be exchanged as well depending upon the use. The exponents can be multiplied and they can be exchanged as well depending upon the use. I hope it is clear. Now if you have got something like this, you see different bases but there is a multiplication sign and same exponent is there. So what you can do, suppose you have got something like this. Suppose something like this, wait, I did a mistake over there. Suppose I'm taking a different value so that you don't get confused in that. Suppose you have got 5 raised to the power 3. So what you can do, you can multiply the bases and put the same exponent over there. So this will be 10 raised to the power 3. I hope that is clear to everybody in this session. These things you already know, right? Now anything raised to the power 0 is 1 except 0 raised to the power 0. 0 raised to the power 0 is not 1. It is an indeterminate form in mathematics. You won't be able to find its value. See, all of these laws of exponents, they are valid for negative exponents, fractional exponents. You don't have to bother. The base can also be fractional. It can be negative. It can be anything. It can be rational. It can be irrational as well. So you don't have to bother about that. I hope it is clear, Kalpa. Right? Yep. So we'll be doing questions like that. Pioneer batch, see, both the classes, they go on from 3 to 3:45 and 4 to 4:45, The Beast. So just check the Infinity Learn class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. maybe around 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. you will be able to see the schedule. And also you can do one thing, subscribe to the Telegram channel as well. In the comment of this, in the description of this session, the link of the Telegram channel must be given. So please subscribe to that so that you can get the schedule, you can get the updates. I hope you understand that, the beast. I hope this is clear. Now over here, if you have got suppose something like this 2 raised to the power minus 3, you can write it 1 by 2 raised to the power 3, right? And suppose if I have got 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 5, I can write it 3 raised to the power 5. These are valid for fractional base, fractional exponent as well. So you don't have to bother about it. Now there is a proof to it as well, but I'm not explaining it. I hope you understand why I'm not doing that. It's maybe this part I'll explain. See, a raised to the power minus m I have got. Can I write it like this? A raised to the power 0 minus m. In place of minus m, I can write 0 minus m. Now can I use the second law of exponent over here? Can I write this thing like this, guys? A raised to the power 0 upon a raised to the power m. Now you see a raised to the power 0 will be 1 only. Yes or no? So have I proved that a raised to the power minus m is 1 by a raised to the power m? Is it clear? Yes, the beast, I'm taking maths only. Okay, Kalpa. See, if you will subscribe, it would be good for you only so that you don't miss any notification and all that. Exactly, correct, Kalpa. That is correct. I hope this thing is clear to every student in this session. Now, suppose you want to prove this as well, that can also be done. That how a raised to the power 0 is 1. Suppose in place of 0, I can take anything minus the same thing or not? Tell me. I can take anything minus the same thing. Now, can I use this second law of exponent over here? Can I write it like this? A raised to the power 5 upon a raised to the power 5. Yes or no? So, I'll get 1 only. So, have you got its proof as well? It's a very simple thing, right? Although nobody is going to ask the proof, but you must know it. I hope there is no doubt in these concepts, guys. Is there any doubt? So these are the laws of exponents which you must understand, and we'll be doing questions on the basis of these laws of exponents. I hope that is clear. Now one more thing is there which many a times comes up, that in many questions, for example, you write it like this, nth root of a, so it can be written like this, a raised to the power 1 by n. You got it? That for example, you have got suppose 10 and suppose 15th root is there. It means it is 10 raised to the power 1 by 15. I hope you understand that this can also be done. This is 15, guys, don't get confused. Yes? Okay, so let's do questions now over here. Can you find the value of this expression over here, guys? A raised to the power, 32 raised to the power 0.2, 81 raised to the power 0.25. So you have to find the value of this expression over here. Can you find the value? Exactly, whatever you may call it, Kalpa, but you can represent it like that so that you can simplify those type of expressions. Yes, please try doing this question and let me know the answer quickly. Try doing it, guys. So over here what we can do, if you see the first part of it, 32 raised to the power 0.2 it is, right? This is raised to the power 0.2. So basically 32 is nothing but 2 raised to the power 5, correct? If you do the prime factorization of 32, the whole raised to the power 0 by 2, 0.2. Now power of power, it will get multiplied. 5 into 0.2 is what? 5 2s are 10 only. So this is 2 raised to the power 1 or 2. So this thing is 2 only. I hope that is clear to you, that this thing is 2. In the same manner, if you simplify the second thing over here, it is 81 raised to the power 0.25 over here, right? Now 81, how can I write, guys? 3 raised to the power 4 or not? The whole raised to the power 0.25. Now power of power, it will get multiplied. So it is 4 into 0.25. It is 3 raised to the power 1 or 3 over here. I hope that is clear. Exactly. I hope this thing is clear. In the same manner, you can simplify this 256 raised to the power 0.5. So 256 is basically 16 square. So 16 square raised to the power 0.5 is what, guys? 16 raised to the power 2 into 0.5. So basically this is 16 raised to the power 1, or you can say that this is 16. I hope this is clear. You don't need to do it like that. You can do it like that as well, Kalpa, but there is no need of that, right? In this case, I hope you understand, because you know from the very first step that product of these two is going to be 1 only. So it's better to write like 16 only, Kalpa. I hope that is clear to you, everybody in this session. Technology lover boy, is it clear to you? Now the last part is 121 raised to the power 0.5. 121 raised to the power 0.5. So over here as well, 121 I can write 11 square, the whole raised to the power 0.5. So power of power, it will get multiplied. 2 into 0.5 will be 1 only. So this is nothing but 11. I hope this is clear to every student over here. Now what we can do, we can just put these values in the given expression. Now you see the first one we are getting to be equal to 2. The second one we are getting to be equal to 3. So this is 2 plus 3 divided by, this is over here 16 minus 11, right? So basically this is coming out to be 5 by 5, and the answer is equal to 1 only. Is the question clear to every student in this session? Tell me. Exactly, 1 is the answer, Kalpa. Very good. So is there any doubt to any student in this session, in this question? Tell me. Exactly, option C is correct over here. I hope it is clear to everybody in the class. Okay, so let us move on to the next question. Let us do some more questions on laws of exponents over here. You can try doing this one. Can you find the value of x over here, guys? You have to find the value of x. Hello Sushila, welcome to this session. So 2 raised to the power 5x divided by 2 raised to the power x, and you see this is 5th root of 32 over here. Okay, so what is the answer? So over here what is happening in the left hand side, guys? Same base is there and there is a division sign, right? So what I can do, you have studied this law of exponent, you can subtract the exponents, correct? It is 2 raised to the power 4x, very good, Kalpa, that is correct. Now what about this part? This is nothing but 32 raised to the power 1 by 5 over here, correct or not? Now 32 I can write as 2 raised to the power 5 or not, tell me. The whole raised to the power 1 by 5. Now I can use power of power law of exponents, so you can multiply them. So will I get 2 raised to the power 1 over here? Tell me. I'll get 2 raised to the power 1. So what does it mean? That we have got 2 raised to the power 4x to be equal to 2 raised to the power 1. So you see same base is there and there is an equal to sign. So what can I say? I can say that 4x is equal to 1, or I can say x is equal to 1 by 4. This is the answer. Any doubt in the question? 1 by 4 is the answer. Exactly, Kalpa. Mayuk, 1 by 4 is the answer. Please check your answer. You must have done some mistake. Exactly, 1 by 4 is the answer. Any doubt to any student in this question, guys? Tell me. Is the question clear to every student in this session? Okay, Sushila. Okay. I hope it is clear to you, Mayuk. Okay, Ayushman. Very good. So let's move on to the next one. Try doing this one. You have to find the value of this expression. A raised to the power x minus y, a raised to the power y minus z into, see this is multiplication. These are into only. And a is not equal to 0. Can you find the value of this thing? A raised to the power x minus y, a raised to the power y minus z, and a raised to the power z minus x over here. Yeah, it's a simple question. What about other students? I'm not getting answers of other students. Why is it so, guys? So these are not very tough questions, I guess. Okay, what is the answer over here? So you see same base is there, same base a is there, and multiplication sign is in between them. So what can I do? I can add the exponents. We have studied this law of exponent. So what can I do? I can cancel it out. So this is nothing but a raised to the power 0, and that is equal to 1. And it was already mentioned that a is not equal to 0 because 0 raised to the power 0 is not equal to 1. It is an indeterminate form. I hope that is clear to every student over here. Answer is 1, Ayushman. You will get a raised to the power 0. Only 0 will not be the answer, Ayushman. I guess you have missed that. I hope it is clear. Yes, Nazmul, that is correct. Very good. Any doubt to any student over here? Tell me. Sabko clear hai ye? So 1 is the answer over here. Okay. Let's move on to the next one, guys. What about this? What will be the value of this thing? Okay. So it is 2 raised to the power 38 plus 2 raised to the power 37 plus 2 raised to the power 36. The whole divided by 2 raised to the power 39 plus 2 raised to the power 38 plus 2 raised to the power 37. What is the value of this? You are getting 2 raised to the power minus 3. What about other students? Let's see if it is correct or not, Kalpa. I cannot say that right now because then it would not be good. Try doing it and let me know the answer over here. What about other students? Please give it a try and let me know the answer. Nazmul, Sushila, Ayushman, what is the answer? Okay, Kalpa, yeah, we'll see that. First, let other students try as well. Okay, so Ayushman is getting 3 by 2. What about other students? So over here, guys, can I take 2 raised to the power 36 as common in the numerator? Just see it. So I will be left with 2 square plus 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 in the numerator. In the same manner, can I take 2 raised to the power 37 as common in the denominator? So I will be left with 2 square plus 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1. Can I do this? Yes or no, guys? Can we do this? Because you see, if you will multiply this thing, you will get 2 raised to the power 38 only. If you will multiply these two, you will get 2 raised to the power 37 only, right? If you will multiply these two, you will get 2 raised to the power 36 only. You can use the distributive property. In the same manner, you can take 2 raised to the power 37 as common in the denominator. So you see 2 square plus 2 plus 1, 2 square plus 2 plus 1 will get cancelled out. So we are left with 2 raised to the power 36 divided by 2 raised to the power 37. This is the answer. So can I take it like this? Can I write it 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 36 minus 37 minus 36? Same base is there, so I can subtract in the denominator as well, yes or no? So the answer is 1 by 2. Or if you want to write in the decimal form, you'll get 0.5. Any doubt in the question? Exactly, that is distributive property that can be used over here. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Any doubt to any student in this session? Tell me, Kalpa, Sushila, Ayushman, is it clear to everybody in the class? Just confirm that in the chat, guys. Is it clear? Okay, fine. So let's move on to the next question. Let's move on to the next one over here. Can you find the value of x in this question? In Hyderabad, Kalpa. 5 raised to the power 2x minus 1 minus 25 raised to the power x minus 1 is equal to 2500. Then you have to find the value of x. Okay, Sushila. Try doing this one and let me know the answer. Five raised to the power 2x minus 1. So over here you have to do a bit of manipulation. How can we do this, guys? See, we have studied this law of exponent that a raised to the power x upon a raised to the power y is what? This is a raised to the power x minus y, right? We have studied this thing. So can I write it like this? 5 raised to the power 2x divided by 5 raised to the power 1 minus 25 can be written as 5 square only. The whole raised to the power x minus 1 is there, right? And this is equal to 2500. I hope that is clear. So this is nothing but 5 raised to the power 2x divided by 5. And then you see we can use power of power law of exponent. This 2 will be multiplied to this whole x minus 1. So this is 5 raised to the power 2x minus 2. So that is equal to 2500 over here. I hope that is clear. So you see I can write 5 raised to the power 2x upon 5 minus 5 raised to the power 2x, and I can take 5 square in the denominator, something like this, and that is equal to 2500. I hope this is clear up till here. Okay, let's see if it is correct or not, Kalpa. I hope this is clear up till here. Now what I can do, can I take 5 raised to the power 2x as common in the numerator? So I will be left with 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 square, correct? I can say that, and this is equal to 2500, correct? This is equal to 2500 over here. Let's simplify. This is 5 raised to the power 2x. So this is 1 by 5 minus 1 by 25, and that is equal to 2500 over here. So what I can say, if you further simplify, you will get 25 over here, and this will give you 5 minus 1, and that is equal to 2500. So from here you will get 5 raised to the power 2x is equal to 2500. This 25 will go in the numerator, and over here this is nothing but 4. So 4 will come in denominator. I hope this is clear up till here. I hope this thing is clear. Okay Sushila, लेकिन I hope समझ में आ रहा है तुमको, because this is maths, right? So see over here we have to simplify this thing. 25 into 100 I can write over there, right? 25 into 100, and another 25 is there, the whole divided by 4. So this will give you 25, right? अब देखो what is this equal to? This is 5 square, 5 square, 5 square. So can I say this is 5 raised to the power 6? Tell me. So 5 raised to the power 6 is coming out to be equal to 5 raised to the power 2x. I hope ये सबको clear है. This is clear to everybody. So you see same base is there and there is an equal to sign. So can I say over here that 2x will be equal to 6? I can say that 2x will be equal to 6. So can I say that x is equal to 3 will be the answer? Any doubt to any student over here in this class? Tell me. Exactly, Kalpa. Oh, but that is visible at my end, Kalpa, because I'll not be able to remember your name. Na? Maybe you can change your username. Is the question clear to every student? Ayushman, is it clear? Sushila, clear hai tumko? Jaldi se batao so that we can move on to the next question. Any doubt in the question, guys? Okay, that's very good. Okay, fine. Okay, Kalpa, thank you. Okay, Mayuk, very good. Let's move on to the next one, guys. Try doing this one. So I had given space for this same question. Okay. So can you try to find the value of this expression and let me know the answer? 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to the power b minus a plus x raised to the power c minus a, plus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to the power a minus b plus x raised to the power c minus b, plus 1 divided by x raised to the power a minus c plus x raised to the power b minus c. Can you simplify this thing? So you can please change your username, Sushila. How would I know that your name is Raj? Because Sushila is visible to me, na? Okay, Kalpa, what about other students? Thank you, Kalpa. Now, what is the answer to this question? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. If you are able to understand the concept, you can answer this orally. That is correct. It's not very tough. Because you just have to use law of exponent. That's it. It's not a big deal in this case. A bit of manipulation is needed. That is it. And then you can do the question. See, can I write it over here like this? 1 divided by 1 plus this thing can be written as x raised to the power b upon x raised to the power a. This thing can be written as x raised to the power c upon x raised to the power a, plus 1 divided by 1 plus this thing can be written as x raised to the power a upon x raised to the power b, plus this thing can be written as x raised to the power c upon x raised to the power b, plus 1 plus this thing can be written as x raised to the power a upon x raised to the power c, plus this thing can be written as x raised to the power b upon x raised to the power c. I hope this is clear. You can write it like this. Now what I can do over here, guys, I can take the LCM or not, tell me. So you see x raised to the power a will be the LCM and you will get this or not, x raised to the power a, x raised to the power b, x raised to the power c. The whole divided by x raised to the power a only will come up. Plus over here, you see what will be the LCM, x raised to the power b will come up, x raised to the power b, x raised to the power a, x raised to the power c. And in the denominator, you will be getting x raised to the power b over here. I hope that is clear. Correct, 1 is the correct answer, very good. Okay, Kalpa. Okay, now over here again, if I take the LCM, what will I get in the denominator? X raised to the power c, x raised to the power a, over here x raised to the power b, the whole divided by x raised to the power c. Can I do something like that? Now you see this will go in the numerator, guys. This will go in the numerator. This will also go in the numerator. Yes or no? So what will I get over here? I guess it will be visible over here. So I'll get what, guys? I'll get x raised to the power a upon x raised to the power a, x raised to the power b, x raised to the power c. Something like this will come up, plus x raised to the power b upon x raised to the power a, x raised to the power b, x raised to the power c. Something like this, plus over here you will get x raised to the power c divided by x raised to the power a, x raised to the power b, x raised to the power c. Something like this you will get, right? So from here what will I do? Same thing is there in the denominator, you see. So in the numerator what you will get? X raised to the power a, x raised to the power b, x raised to the power c, and in the denominator you will get x raised to the power a, x raised to the power b, x raised to the power c. So if you cancel out this thing, what will you get? 1. 1 is the answer. Any doubt in the question? Very good, Mayuk, that is correct. Is it clear to every student in this session? Tell me, guys, so that we can move on to the next question over here. Is it clear to everybody? Which second step, Mayuk, Ayushman? So once again I can say, Ayushman, we are just using law of exponent. This thing can be written as this thing or not, Ayushman, tell me. In the same manner, in all of these you are using laws of exponents. Okay, Ayushman? Now over here, if you take LCM, x raised to the power a will come up or not, and in the numerator will you get this? Are you able to understand this, Ayushman? Tell me. If you understand this thing, this will go over here. Now that's how you take LCM. Okay? Now in the next step, this will go above. It will be like this. So same is happening in all of them, right? Now same denominator is there. So if you add them up, you'll get 1 only over here. Is it clear? It's okay, Kalpa. Okay, fine. Bye-bye. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, Kalpa, bye-bye. We'll meet in the next class. Let's do the next question over here. Try doing this one and let me know the answer. What will be the value of this exponential expression, you can say? Okay, fine. I got to understand that. But obviously you can watch the recording, and in case of any doubt, you can put that in the comment that you are not able to understand this, or whatever you may think of that. Okay. What will be the answer to this one? Okay, yeah, it's a similar question. I'm sorry, it was about to fall. Okay, so try doing this one and let me know the answer. Okay, so again over here, if you take this part, x raised to the power a upon x raised to the power minus b. So you see same base is there and there is division in between them. So you can use law of exponent. So it will be x raised to the power a minus is coming from law of exponent, and already minus b is there. So two negative signs will come up or not. So it is basically x raised to the power a plus b. You need to understand this. I hope it is clear. In the same manner, see, this can be written as x raised to the power a plus b, the whole raised to the power a minus b, into x raised to the power b plus c, the whole raised to the power b minus c, into x raised to the power c plus a, the whole raised to the power c minus a. I hope this is clear to everybody in this session. Exactly. Now you know that power of power, it will get multiplied, right? So basically a plus b, a minus b. So it is a square minus b square. You have studied this since childhood. In the same manner, b plus c, b minus c will be b square minus c square. In the same manner, c plus a, c minus a is what? C square minus a square. Now you see again same base is there and multiplication is in between them. So what we can do? Add the exponents. So I'll get a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. So what I can do? I can cancel out these things, you see. So what are we left with, guys? X raised to the power 0 only, and x raised to the power 0 is 1. And obviously needless to say x is not equal to 0 over here, right? I hope this is clear to every student. Exactly, Mayuk, Kalpa, that is correct. Is it clear to every student over here? Sushila, Ayushman, any doubt in this question? Tell me. Is there any doubt in this question? Okay, so let's move on to the next question, guys. Can you try doing this one? If a raised to the power x is equal to b raised to the power y is equal to c raised to the power z and b square is equal to ac, then can you find the value of y? You have to find the value of y in terms of x and z. It's okay, Kalpa. Okay, someone who is in this world. That's good. Can you try to keep a name, shorter name if possible? So you have to find the value of y in terms of x and z. These are the three options over here. You have to find the value of y in terms of x and z over here. Can you do that, guys? Okay, let's see, Mayuk. Y in terms of x and z we have to do, right? So basically what do you actually do? See, suppose these are equal. Can I assume them to be equal to something k? Tell me. Because all of them are equal, so all of them I can assume them to be equal to k. So the first relation is a raised to the power x is equal to k. So can I not say that a will be equal to k raised to the power 1 by x? Do you agree with this thing, guys? If a raised to the power x is k, then a is equal to k raised to the power 1 by x, right? In the same manner, can I not say that b is equal to k raised to the power 1 by y? In the same manner, c is equal to k raised to the power 1 by z. I hope that is clear. Now it is given in the question, you see this relation, b square is equal to ac. So what is b square? K raised to the power 1 by y the whole square, and that is equal to ac. This is a, this is c. So it is k raised to the power 1 by x into k raised to the power 1 by z. I hope this is clear. Now you know that power of power, it gets multiplied. So this is basically k raised to the power 2 by y. Over here same base is there, so you can add the exponents 1 by x plus 1 by z over here. So what I can say? Same base equal to sign. So I can just equate the exponents. 2 by y is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by z. So from here you have to find y in terms of x and z. So let's do that over here. So can I not say 2 by y is equal to, if you simplify, you'll get x plus z upon xz over here. So can you find y by cross multiplication? Y will come out to be equal to what? 2xz upon x plus z. First option is correct only. 2xz upon x plus z. Is it clear to every student over here? No, Kalpa, I'm sorry for that, but I hope I would have known it. Is it clear to every student in this session? Any doubt in this question? No, it is not 2. First option is correct only, Kalpa. I hope that is clear to you. This is the first one, first option, second option and third option. Any doubt in this question to any student in this session? Tell me. Is it clear, Ayushman, someone who is in this world, Sushila? Is it clear to Mayuk, everybody else in this session? Yeah, obviously we have proved it, na? Every proof is there in front of you. Any doubt in this thing? Tell me, Sushila, Kalpana, Kalpa. Is it clear or not? Okay, fine. So let's move on to the next one over here. It's a similar question only. Can you find the value of x, y, z? If suppose, see, this is given a raised to the power x is b, b raised to the power y is c, and c raised to the power z is a. So you have to find the value of x, y, z. This is given to you. A raised to the power x is b, b raised to the power y is c, c raised to the power z is a. You have to find the value of x, y, z. Exactly, someone who is in the world. Try doing this one and let me know the answer in the chat. What is that, Kalpa? Not able to understand that. I hope you understand that I'm not understanding that. So over here you can do this question using 3 ways possible. Using 3 ways we can do this question over here. Basically what I can do, see, if I take the very first relation, it is a raised to the power x is equal to y. Okay. Now what is a? In place of a, can I write c raised to the power z? In place of a, I can write c raised to the power z. So the whole raised to the power x will automatically be there or not? Tell me. So this is nothing but c raised to the power zx. Yes or no? Because power of power, it will be multiplied. Now in place of c, can I put b raised to the power y? Tell me. In place of c, we can write b raised to the power y. So it is b raised to the power y. The whole raised to the power zx is there. That is equal to b. I hope it is clear. So again, power of power, it will get multiplied. So it is b raised to the power x raised to x, y, z or not. And that is nothing but b raised to the power 1. Is it clear? So from here, what can I say? That x, y, z is nothing but equal to 1 only. This is the answer. Any doubt in this question, guys? Someone who is in this world, Kalpa? Is it clear to everybody in this session? Okay. So I hope it is clear, and this question can be done in 3 ways possible. Suppose I have started from this one, then also I'll get the answer. You can start from this one, then also you'll get the answer. You can start from this one, then also you'll get the same answer. I hope it is clear, right? So that's all we needed to do in concepts and questions in laws of exponents. In the next session, we are going to do the next chapter. We are going to start with the next chapter, that is polynomials, on the Infinity Learn class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. For grade 9 Pratham series is going on. For grade 10 Pioneer series is going on the Infinity Learn class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. Suppose there is any doubt, please put your comments in the comment section after the class. Bye bye guys, we'll meet in the next class. Take care everybody.